Color Coating Aluminum Industry Company Limited, established in 2004, is a professional producer of color-coated aluminum coil, stone-coated metal roof tile, and aluminum composite panel. We are located in Linyi with convenient transportation access. As a production and marketing integration, we sell our products to more than 120 cities in China, Mideast, Southeast Asia, and Africa overseas. Linyi Jinhu has 16 advanced aluminum coil coating lines and 12 advanced stone-coated metal roof tile automatic production lines. To guarantee quality and make competitive products, the company strictly comply with industry quality standards, ranks to the leading place in quality of the same industry, provides 30 years quality guarantee to customers, and won high comments from worldwide customers. Having the most advanced production lines, we are the leader in the industry of coated metal roof tile manufacturer. With an annual capacity of 6 million square meters, Linyi Jinhu is one of the first companies passing ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification. And all our major products have passed quality certification by SGS and SONCAP. We always following the dream of pursuing excellence and taking customers' satisfaction as power. We'll produce full-heartedly and build a long-lasting brand. We also sincerely welcome cooperative partners from both domestically and overseas, in the spirit of customer-centered, market-oriented, quality-based, and reputation-supported.